New tonight, state officials say that Kansas could be facing a historically bad year for wildfires.
And it could mean trouble for our farmers. 27 News reporter Drew Gill is live tonight in Shawnee County. And Drew, the colder weather, a small piece of this puzzle. What are officials saying?
David, Rebecca, the Kansas Forest Service says that drought conditions and strong winds can be a recipe for disaster. They're asking that farmers delay their harvest, but for some, that's not always possible.
Started driving tractor when I was 9, 10, so.
Jeff Varner tills soybeans and corn and finished his harvest for the week Tuesday afternoon. He says this year is a bit of an anomaly.
Usually we don't end up with high wind and dry temperatures at this time of the year.
There isn't that like October kind of break that we kind of get to kind of regroup and catch up and then go.
Rodney Redinger with the Kansas Forest Service says the drought reduces water sources and makes trees burn much faster. He says that, combined with forecasted strong winds and extra growth from a wet summer, means fire is almost inevitable.
Realistic best case scenario, nothing gets catastrophic. Nothing burns homes, and everybody stays safe.
Redinger says he knows delaying harvest is a lot to ask of Kansas farmers. As for Varner, he says he won't be harvesting with strong winds expected, but that some crops just cannot wait.
They get wet and that bean gets wet, it swells and it pops that pod open, the bean falls to the ground and it's unharvestable.
Clearly a difficult situation for farmers to be in. The Forest Service is asking those who can't delay the harvest to take extra precautions. That's things like parking farther away from long grass, holding off on any controlled burns, and keeping a fire extinguisher nearby in case of emergency. Working for you live from Shawnee County, Drew Gill, 27 News.
Yeah, very dangerous situation.
You bet, Drew. Thank you for that update.